My name is Alana Vega, and I'm the Kids Count Coordinator at Advocates for Children of New Jersey. And today I'm going to show you how to navigate our New Jersey Kids Count data dashboard, something we will be updating throughout the year to bring you the most current data relating to child well-being. So when you get to our data dashboard, you'll see that you have an option on the left-hand side to filter by category. Right now we have it on demographics, and I'm going to leave it there, but you can certainly page through different categories that you are interested in. But today we'll start here, and I'm going to select child population as the indicator. Once I've selected that, you'll see that multiple years worth of data populate, as well as data for different geographies. We have all 21 counties as well as the statewide data. And this is pretty much the standard view for all of our indicators. You'll have at least 5 years of data for the most part. The years available will switch depending upon the indicator and the data source. So here we have 2015 through 2019, but let's look at a different indicator just to give you an idea. So like I said, we have multiple different categories that roughly correspond to the typical categories we feature in our printed data products. So I'm going to select child health, and I'm going to look at the percent of women receiving early prenatal care. So this is first trimester prenatal care. Once again, we have all 21 counties worth of data, as well as the statewide data, and we have 5 years worth of data to look at trends. However, the years that are featured differ. So we have 2014 through 2018 data. And like I said, the years that are available will vary according to the data source. Speaking of data sources, if you're interested in knowing what the data sources are, you can click View Sources. And here it automatically is on the child health data source, but you can also look at different categories worth of data. So if we were to select early care and education, you would see here that we're able to look at the data sources for that particular category. Once you're satisfied, you can go back to the main data page. And we once again see the view of women receiving early prenatal care. We've also added the ability to look at data by race. So if you click this button in the upper right-hand corner next to the View Sources option, you'll see that we are now on a different dashboard for data by race. If you click this drop-down menu, you can see that we have different indicators available by race. I'm going to select population ages 0 to 19. So this is the population in each of the 21 counties and the state under the age of 20. It is just 1 year's worth of data. And you can see the population data that are available. I'm going to select a different indicator. I'm going to go back to youth admissions to detention. And I'm doing this because you'll notice that we have the number and also the percentage for this indicator, which means that the view is a bit more expansive. This means that you have to use this toolbar at the bottom to view all of the indicators because it is a bit wider of a view. So that's just a little disclaimer for folks. Feel free to explore different indicators, and over time, we will likely expand the number of indicators available here. However, this is where we're starting for now. We're going to go back to the main data because I'd like to show folks how to print the pages. So here we are, and I'm looking at the dashboard in full screen view. I'm going to hit Escape just to go into the typical view. And here we have this option up here, Download. However, most of the time, Tableau, which is the program that hosts our data dashboard, gives you the option to download a specific view that you are looking at. So we're going to click this download button, and then we have the option to select our file format. So I'm going to click PDF, and I'm going to leave it on this view because I want to print this page, and I'm going to leave the scaling on automatic. Going to leave the paper size alone, and I'm going to make sure that it's on landscape, not portrait. This will make the view a bit larger and clearer to see. So I'm going to click download, and a PDF is automatically generated. I'm going to open the PDF, and here we have the percent of women receiving early prenatal care for 2014 through 2018. It's a PDF, and so you're able to print this page You're also able to save this page if you wanted to send it in an email rather than sending someone a link and having them navigate the dashboard. You can send them the data that you are interested in first and foremost. We will try this again. Let's do children under age 19 without health insurance. And while it is loading, we're going to scroll down, click download, PDF. Once again, make sure all of this checks out. Click download. And here we have children at the age of 19 without health insurance. And you can see, once again, we can print or save. I'm going to exit out of the PDF. And I hope that this tutorial is helpful to folks. Certainly, if anyone has any questions, you can contact us at AC&J. We're happy to help. And we hope that you'll explore the different data that's available on our dashboard. Thank you.